Cheap, quick to prepare, and containing almost none of the nutrients the human body needs to survive are the three key features for instant noodles. According to the World Constant Noodles Association, people from China and Hong Kong altogether ate nearly 46.2 billion servings of instant noodles in 2013, while the figure dropped distinctly to 39 billion in 2017. The business writer who works for the BBC News column attributed this downward trend to some of the broader economic and social changes in the country, such as growing access to online food delivery services, a shrinking migrant labor population, and the desire to consume for better and higher quality products. It turns out that instant noodles may also be the key to understanding the direction of the country's economy. So in 2013, the instant noodle firms were earning short-run profits. We can see on the graph that the profit is shaded in blue. However, in the long run, that is, from 2013 to 2017, since perfectly competitive market has no barriers to entry, more and more firms entered the instant noodle market. Therefore, the supply of instant noodle increases. The supply will continue increasing until the new price line intersects with the lowest point of the average total cost line. In this new case, labeled in red, there will be no profits for instant noodle firms because the price is equal to the average total cost. We can see on the graph that the quantity of instant noodle also decreases. We suppose that instant noodle industry forms a perfectly competitive market in China. Take the example of Jingwen instant noodle market. Jingwen instant noodle companies originated in Korea but has a large number of sellers and buyers in China. Each instant noodle company of Jingwen produces and sells a homogeneous product so that no buyer has any preference for the product of any individual seller over others. All Jingwen instant noodle companies are free to enter or leave the firm. Jingwen is also a price taker of the market. As mentioned before, the downfall in the consumption of instant noodles makes instant noodle companies no longer competitive. If instant noodle companies want to stay competitive in a changing market, they need to refine their product lines and tailor them according to shoppers' aspirations and taste. The ultimate goal is to transform instant noodles from a fallback for those short on time and money into a product that consumers truly desire. However, all of that lies in the future, if it happens at all. The current uptick in instant noodle sales is less the result of successful marketing and product development programs and more the natural outcome of the country's ongoing economic malaise. Admittedly, there's a touch of irony to the fact that tough times for China mean boom times for the instant noodle industry. But with clouds on the horizon, it might be time to sit back, heat up a bowl of noodles, and get ready to weather the storm.